So for this example, we are going to want to convert this number in base 3 into a number in base 10. So what is the first thing we have to do? Is write out our usual extended form of this equation. And now we have to fill in our base, which is 3, 3. And last thing to do, going from the right, now we have to simplify. So that will equal 3 to the 7th. Oh, but look, our next term is times 0, meaning we don't have to worry about that term, or that term, or that term down there. So plus 2 times 3 to the 4, plus 1 times 3 to the 3, and we know we don't need to put that 1 in there, which is why I didn't put it in on the first term, plus 2 times 3, plus 1 times 1, and which equals 2,187 plus 2 times 81 plus 27 plus 6 plus 1, which equals 2,187 plus 162 plus 27 plus 6 plus 1, which will equal 2,383. So therefore, if we look at this 100210213 will equal 2,383 in base 10.